Imagine this. It's the middle of the night and you're trying to get a good night's sleep. Everything is perfectly quiet and then it starts. The loud, disruptive snoring that feels like it could shake the whole house. Picture it. The clock has just chimed 2 in the morning and you're nestled comfortably in your bed. The room is blanketed in a soothing stillness, the only sound being the rhythmic ticking of the clock. Suddenly, the tranquility is shattered by a sound that's all too familiar. The grating, thunderous noise of snoring. You see, snoring is more than just a nighttime nuisance. It's a disruptor, a peacebreaker, a sleep thief. It's that uninvited guest who overstays its welcome, turning your serene nights into a series of bleary-eyed mornings. And it's not just you who's bearing the brunt. Snoring affects everyone within earshot, turning what should be a time of rest into a marathon of tossing, turning, and frustration. Why does this happen? Why does this seemingly innocuous act of breathing turn into a disturbance once the lights go out? Well, snoring is caused when air can't flow freely through your throat and nose during sleep. This makes the surrounding tissues vibrate, which produces the familiar sound of snoring. And while it may seem like a minor inconvenience, persistent snoring can lead to serious health problems, including sleep deprivation, heart conditions, and even strained relationships. So, it's not just about the noise, it's about the quality of your sleep, your health, and your overall well-being. It's about reclaiming your nights and waking up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. It's about time we took snoring seriously and did something to combat it. But here's the good news. Snoring is not a life sentence. There are effective, easy-to-implement home remedies that can help reduce, and in some cases, completely eliminate snoring. So, if you're tired of being the one who's keeping everyone awake, or if you're fed up with the constant disturbance, you've come to the right place. If this scenario sounds all too familiar, stick around. We're about to share some effective home remedies to combat snoring. Before we dive into these sleep-saving solutions, remember to hit the subscribe button for more health tips and hacks. Snoring. It's more than just a nighttime nuisance. It can disrupt your sleep, affect your health, and strain relationships. But fear not. There are solutions right within your own home that can help. We're not talking about fancy gadgets or expensive therapies. We're talking about simple, natural remedies that you can incorporate into your daily routine. These remedies range from lifestyle adjustments, dietary changes, and even some unconventional methods you might not have thought of. But don't worry, we're going to guide you through each one. We'll explain how they work, why they work, and how you can start using them today. So, are you ready to take the first step towards quieter, more restful nights? Ready to wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated? Now let's get to those remedies. Ready to reclaim your peaceful nights? First on our list of home remedies for snoring is changing up your sleep position. Now, you might be wondering, how does the way I sleep affect my snoring? Well, when you sleep flat on your back, your tongue and soft palate tend to collapse to the back wall of your throat, causing that all too familiar snoring sound. So, a simple adjustment to sleeping on your side can help keep your airways clear and reduce snoring. Next up, maintaining a healthy weight. You see, carrying excess weight, particularly around your neck and throat, can cause snoring. The extra fatty tissue constricts the airway, making it harder for air to flow freely. This leads to the vibrations that cause snoring. So, if you're overweight and snore, losing weight might just be the solution you need. We move on to our third remedy, which is avoiding alcohol before bed. Now, we're not saying you have to give up your evening glass of wine entirely, but try to finish drinking at least a few hours before bedtime. Why? Because alcohol relaxes the muscles in your throat, making it more likely for you to snore. Staying hydrated is our fourth remedy. When you're dehydrated, the secretions in your nose and soft palate become stickier, leading to more snoring. So make sure you're getting your 8 glasses of water a day, or even more if you're active or live in a hot climate. Our fifth remedy is using a humidifier. Dry air can irritate your nose and throat, leading to swollen nasal tissues and, you guessed it, more snoring. A humidifier adds moisture to the air, which can alleviate this irritation and help you breathe easier at night. So, let's recap. We've talked about changing your sleep position, maintaining a healthy weight, avoiding alcohol before bed, staying hydrated, and using a humidifier. These are all simple, natural remedies that you can start implementing tonight. But we do want to remind you that while these home remedies can be effective, they're not a substitute for professional medical advice. If your snoring is severe or you're experiencing other symptoms like gasping for air during sleep or excessive daytime sleepiness, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional. You could be dealing with a more serious condition like sleep apnea, which requires medical treatment. Remember, consistency is key with these remedies. Try them out and see which ones work best for you. Let's quickly recap the home remedies we've shared today. We kicked things off by understanding the disturbance of snoring and its impact on your sleep quality. We then delved into the realm of home remedies that can help alleviate snoring. These included simple lifestyle changes like maintaining a healthy weight and avoiding alcohol before bed, to more specific practices like sleeping on your side and using a humidifier. We also discussed some natural remedies, such as incorporating honey or olive oil into your diet, and the importance of regular exercise for better respiratory health. Remember, these remedies are not a guaranteed cure, but they have been known to help reduce the severity and frequency of snoring. The key is to try different strategies and find the one that works best for you. With these remedies in your arsenal, a snore-free night could be just a sleep cycle away. Here's to peaceful nights and refreshed mornings. Now, before you run off, I do have a special gift for you. If you haven't already, make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comment and head on over to our blog and pick up your free home remedy book with over 2,000 homemade and natural remedies in it. It's 100% free and I know you will love it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video, as we're posting new natural health and nutrition content every week. And if you made it this far, thanks for watching and have a great day or night.